Good morning, dear students. Today I will take revision from chapter 7. Name of the chapter 7 is the exercise and postures. Exercise and postures. You know that we must keep our body fit and active, and our body is strong if its muscles are strong, and the muscles can grow stronger if we exercise them regularly. We must take exercise daily. You know that exercises builds the muscles, and it regulates the digestion, and it improves the breathing system, and the exercise makes the blood in the body pure, and it increases our appetite, so the body growth is stronger. Built up muscles protect the bones well, and avoid heavy exercise, and it shall tire your body. Light exercise is really useful. Group exercises and playing different games are the best ways to keep good health. Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. We must keep our limbs in their proper position so that they work better. At the same time, no harm shall come to the body, and we must sit and stand erect. We must not bend our body to any one side. The arms should be at the same level while sitting. The feet too must flat, and the legs should be upright. We must keep upright while walking. We must not bow forward. Never read a book while lying. Sit up straight in right posture. In right posture. Exercise builds the muscles. Built up muscles protect the bones well. Playing different games are the best ways to keep good health. Posture means proper position. What is the posture? Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand, walk, and the ideal sitting postures puts far less strain on the neck, shoulders and back. So exercises, fill in the blanks. First one from chapter 7. Our body is strong if its muscles are strong, and we must take exercise daily. Exercise regulates the digestion, and posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. We must keep our limbs in proper position. And second one is the write T for true and F for false. Exercise builds the muscles. Take heavy exercise daily. We must bend forward while walking. Built up muscles protect the bones well, and we must sit and stand erect. First one is the exercise builds the muscles. That is the true. Take heavy exercise daily. It is false. We must bend forward while walking. False. Built up muscles protect the bones well. True. We must sit and stand erect. True. Now come to the answer the following. Why should we do exercise daily? Because exercise builds the muscles. How is heavy exercise harmful? Heavy exercise harmful because it shall tire your body. What is posture? Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. How should we keep our posture while we sit and stand? It should be erect. And how should we keep our body while walking? We must keep upright while walking. So this is the chapter 7, exercise and posture. This is the revision. You will take revision at home properly. And